Coming up in today's video, guys, we've got some deep earwax plugs and a lovely skin ribbon at the end for you to have a little look at. My name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and you're looking at my patient to start with here. So the first two actually are my patients, but you've got this very, very deep kind of, it's a bit of a mixture of soft wax. We got some dead skin there as well. Very, very typical of dead skin for it to be in this particular area inside the ear canal. But we've got the fine end on here just because of where we're working and how soft it is. Yeah. You know, obviously we're so close to the eardrum. We don't want to be putting the standard size tube in to, you know, risk the noise coming from that tube.
You always try. You can use it down there, but you use it very sparingly.
Oh yeah.
I would like. Oh sorry, I almost talked. I got told off again for talking over you. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, did you?
I did. Yeah.
No, you can't. You carry on.
No. I've been told. I've been told in the comments I'm not allowed to do it. I'm not allowed to do it.
So we're just trying to different parts of this little plug here. You can see how it's so soft, it's all kind of drawing into the suction tube. What I'm trying to do is to loosen the whole thing to try and get it all out in one go. I don't want to be leaving little bits behind if I can help it. So we're going back in now. Well, that was coming away lovely at that little point there, so we're going to go there again. Patient has been using a lot of oil, to be fair, so that really has helped us to take this out easier.
Does make a difference.
Oh, really big difference. You can see that's all started kind of rolling forwards here now. So we got a little chunk of wax away there. Just grabbing the next piece.
It's coming really nice though.
Yeah. And taking this last little bit away. There you go. Shoop.
Look at the sheen of that eardrum. That is lovely. And that's a textbook eardrum, that one.
That is perfect.
Oh, that's not so nice to look at.
Yeah, not so nice to look at.
Gosh.
It's, again, right over the eardrum, this bit. Is this yours?
No, this is yours. This is still the same patient, yeah.
Same patient?
Oh, no, it's not. It's the other patient. Sorry, it's not. It's the second one.
I was going to say that doesn't ring a bell.
I think it's because there was no ruler shot in the first one through me. I was expecting to see a ruler shot.
Oh, of course. Some of mine, I do apologise, guys, some of mine may not have ruler shots on them. Only purely because I decided to use them for a video after the wax had been disposed of.
I kicked myself the other day. I had a lovely one, and it would have been a great ruler shot. I was just on autopilot cleaning up after the patient, bumped it, went in the bin, and I was like, I'm not going through the bin to try and find that.
Oh, no. There it is.
Squished a bit of fluff on it. I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm sure everybody on social media will understand. I really didn't want to go digging through the bin to try and find it.
Yeah. That'd be a sight.
Oh, would be nice. Well, that was
it was only a little tiny bit on this one, so a quarter of a centimetre, half a centimetre,
like
sorry.
a 16th of an inch or something that is there. I don't know whether that was all the same. No, it can't be all the same patient. I can't remember. We did have a quick look at this before. We don't do this completely blind all the time, but this is yours, definitely.
I think that last one might have been yours.
Was it mine?
I think I can't. That doesn't ring a bell to me.
Oh, there you are. That was mine.
We're all over the shop here.
We're at the moment. Yeah, it's so busy. We try to grab every kind of hour we can to get these videos done. And this morning we had a very quick look and we dived on it, but we had a bit of a chance this morning to get in. So we think this is your patient. I think this one, isn't it? Yeah.
We got a super soft and squishy one again. A little bit closer to the entrance of the ear canal. This one. The problem we normally get with these, you get sometimes you get a fine layer of skin that just glues the wax to the ear canal, and that's what we're trying to do here. You can see us gently trying to lift and.
Sorry,
it's just starting.
That was going. I was getting excited. That was I thought I was going to create one big plug.
There's going to be little tiny bits, I think, of this that are going to be still attached somewhere. We're going to give it a little bit of a wiggle. That usually tends to loosen up those little tiny bits that are still attached, but it's broken away. Smack the camera as well.
All deep though, aren't they? Have you had a run of skin? I've had loads of skin ones recently. Tons and tons of skin.
I think it could be the weather with it being quite hot.
Yeah, maybe.
Possibly it might be getting everyone's ears all nice and humid and sweaty.
It's a lovely thought, that is.
I know.
People's sweaty ears out there. Look at that. That is a good plug. Look at the size of that coming away.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There you go.
That's longer than I thought it was going to be.
It's quite deep, yeah. You can see it was actually touching up against the eardrum as well. So we're going to go very, 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 very slow with the fine end here just to slurp away these tiny little bits.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll come away nicely.
There we go.
Oh, come on.
Almost. It's got a little bit of dry skin attached to it, isn't it?
Yeah, there you go.
There we are. Look at that coming away. Very nice.
Some people find that really, really not uncomfortable, but just a weird feeling sometimes.
It's an odd sensation.
We just kind of touch up against it.
Yeah.
It's not painful. It just feels really weird.
Like a drawing sensation down the canal there, so it's an odd one.
This is the same patient, I believe, with the
skin again. That.
Yeah, very, very similar. Just like a kind of a ring of dead skin.
You get this sometimes when it passes from that deepermost part to the outermost part, don't you? It goes up a little bump in the canal and it can form a ring.
It's obviously not doing what I was expecting it to do. I thought the whole thing was all going to start peeling away in one. I was
with you on that one. I thought that's what was going to happen.
But didn't quite work out. So we're going to just try and peel gently. It's quite, I wouldn't even say it's brittle because it's soft.
No, it's an odd consistency, isn't it? Sometimes you find when you've got that little bit of skin wrapped around that soft wax, it can react like this, kind of. It's not an easy one. So
we're obviously trying to draw it backwards this time and almost kind of peel it from the back to front, rather than trying to grab it from the front. And
I forgot to say, guys, I've been putting cards up because I keep forgetting. There are cards appearing in this top left corner if you watch this on YouTube, and that is going to be videos that are similar to what you've just watched that we think you might like. It's something that me and Taylor kind of curated from the back catalogue for you to have a little look at. So that's there.
From the archive.
From the archives. There are some from the very dim and distant past right up there as well.
Blow the dust off.
It's off him. Oh gosh, I gotta do it an inch, just under.
Maybe just 2 centimeters. I think.
Skin ribbon. I love a skin ribbon. One of my skin ribbons and the eardrum peels are my two most favourite things to do. So this patient, I didn't realise was going to be a skin ribbon. I thought this was just a little bit of keratin. But you can look at this. Look at that. I was really hoping I was going to stay as one piece when it started coming away. There's another really satisfying bit coming up in this one as well. I think we get another long piece coming soon. So I think I've got like a ribbon and a plug in here. Look at that.
Oh, so unraveling.
Look at it. I was going, please stay together, please stay together. Nearly. But long pieces there. And then that was hiding this plug behind. This very, very dry plug as well. We go in there. Oh, guys, update on the filming. The TV show we were due to go along. It didn't happen. Basically, I think the production company we were all set to go, and then the channel that it was going to be aired on had a little bit of a wobble at the last minute about putting anything medical on the show. So they said, look, there's no point in coming up because they're not going to include anything medical anyway now. But they're going to keep us in mind just in case it does come up. So thank you for all the guys, everyone out there was saying, oh, well done and all the rest of it. This happens a lot in TV land. We've been up for about 4 or 5 different TV shows over the years, and a lot of them fall through. But we'll keep it. If you want myself or the lovely Mr. Taylor Green on TV, by all means contact us. We'd love to go on telly again.
I always wanted to be on Crystal Maze.
Oh, I would love to.
I always wanted to be on the Crystal Maze.
Oh, I love that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at the size of those ribbons. They're massive. 2 centimeters.
That's a beast.
For 5.5.
Yeah. What's that? Two and a bit.
Yeah.
2 and a bit inches.
I think you can do the Crystal Maze. This is a Crystal Maze place you can do it around.
Oh yes, up in West Wales, I think.
You ought to do that. Audiology team building session in the Crystal Maze.
Let's get the leaderboard. Let's go there.
My sense of direction is terrible. I'd still be in there. I can't find a way out.
The door, Rhys. The door. Big.
20 years later, we're in a corner with a big grey beard in it. I'm still lost.
Castaway.
Not quite so slim as Tom Hanks, unfortunately.
Well, sir. So we're going off on one again now.
Jobson.
Brilliant.
Right. Sorry, guys, we've gone off on one again.
Do this quite often.
Every time. Right, okay. Well, guys, thank you so much again for watching the video. If you do enjoy mine and Taylor's ramblings throughout the wax removal videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. That'd be brilliant. And we shall see you again. As always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
There we go. And take care of one another. I forgot that bit. We'll see you again soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.